When you picture a tough, capable pickup truck, your mind probably jumps straight to the usual names: the Toyota Hilux, the Ford Ranger, the big established players that have ruled this market for decades. So the Maxus T60 Max barely registers. It is from a Chinese brand most people could not pick out of a lineup. But ignore it, and you are missing something genuinely interesting, because this unfamiliar truck quietly offers far more than almost anyone gives it credit for, often for thousands less than the famous badges. So let us give the underdog a proper look. Here is the part the pickup world tends to overlook. For around 36,000 pounds, the T60 Max comes as one generously equipped version, and the standard kit list reads like an expensive truck's option sheet. A heated leather seat, a heated steering wheel, a wireless charging pad, smartphone mirroring, a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, and a whole suite of airbags, all included. On the famous rivals, a lot of that costs extra, or simply is not offered at this price, and it backs it all up with a 5-year, 100,000-mile warranty. You are getting the equipment of a premium pickup for the price of a basic one. And it is no toy either. The T60 Max is a proper, full-size, double-cab pickup, over 17 feet long, with the chunky, muscular, go-anywhere looks the class demands. It does not embarrass itself parked next to the establishment. Under that long bonnet sits a 2-liter twin-turbo diesel producing around 215 horsepower and a hefty 370 pound-feet of torque, driving all 4 wheels through an 8-speed automatic. That gives it the numbers that actually matter to a truck buyer: a 3.5-ton towing capacity and a payload of over a ton. There is a generous load bed out back, and the 4-wheel drive means it will follow a muddy building site track without drama. It will haul, tow, and work as hard as the badges you have actually heard of. If finding value the big review skip is your thing, subscribe. Inside, the same value story continues. The cabin is spacious, comfortable, and far plusher than its price tag suggests, with that leather, the big touchscreen, and enough soft trim to feel like a lifestyle vehicle rather than a stripped-out workhorse. But now, the honest part, because no fair review should pretend otherwise. This is where the established names still have the edge. The Maxus does not drive with quite the polish of a Ranger. The engine is gruff, and the ride can be firm and bouncy, especially unladen, as old-school pickups tend to be. And the bigger question mark is the badge itself. Maxus is still an unproven name for many buyers, with uncertain long-term reliability and resale compared to a Toyota, and that is a genuine consideration on a vehicle you may keep for years. None of that, though, is a deal-breaker for the right buyer. Because what the T60 Max offers is a clear, honest trade. You give up the badge, prestige, the proven resale, and the last 10% of polish. In return, you get a genuinely capable, hugely well-equipped, properly warranted pickup for a price that makes the establishment look expensive. For a tradesperson, a small business, or a family who wants truck practicality without truck money, that is a deal worth taking seriously. So here's what the pickup world keeps missing. The Maxus T60 Max is not trying to beat the Hilux at being a Hilux. It is doing something smarter, offering most of the capability, more of the kit, and a longer warranty for a lot less cash. It asks you to take a chance on an unfamiliar name, and to accept it is a workhorse rather than a luxury car. But judged purely on how much truck you get for your money, very little else out there can touch it. The underdog deserves a lot more attention than it gets.